Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Islamic coin. This is the coin of the project HAQQ, a new network ABM compatible, very important in new infrastructure. This is a project in terms of funding compared with ZkSync. We are near the 1 billion funding for this project, and like always in my videos we are going to cover a little bit to understand the project and then all the step-by-steps on how you can participate on this airdrop to get the best chances to get this airdrop. And like always we are going to go a little bit step-by-step in the project to understand everything that involves it, so you know exactly on what you are betting this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, HAQQ network, this is an ABM equivalent chain based on Cosmos SDK. The technology behind this project makes it possible for any smart contract created on other ABM chains to be deployed into the new network without any changes needed. And this is a super big technology. This project is balancing Sharia HAQQ compliant philosophy and cutting edge technology to create a fairer, more sustainable financial system. Muslims and ESG power change throughout the world, and HAQQ is leading it. And what is Islamic coin? Well, Islamic coin is the native currency of this project, a community-run network dedicated to empowering an ethics-first Sharia compliant financial ecosystem. And Islamic coin has a finite total supply, and 10% of each insurance is automatically dedicated for philanthropic purposes. Like I mentioned, the blockchain is HAQQ network. This Islamic coin is a native token. The total funding of this project at the moment of this video, for what I could find, it's $700 million in funding. So these are similar numbers like ZkSync. So this project, if they do an airdrop, it could be huge. And why I'm doing this video, guys, is because this is projected to be launched in September, so we are entering into August, so we have 1 month before the launch. So all the steps of this video could be really important if they decide to do an airdrop. There's not confirmation of an airdrop, but in their Discord there was a lot of hints about moderators telling about a possible airdrop. Nothing confirmed, but anyways we are going to do the step-by-step on how you can participate and get the best possible scenario for this airdrop. In terms of community, you can see that HAQQ network has 27,000 followers, but if you go to the Islamic coin, this has 1.1 million followers, guys. So this is a very big community behind it. And if you go to the Islamic coin Discord, they have around 100k followers. And why I mentioned the 100k followers on Discord is important, because you can get 1000 tokens here. So this is telling me that not many people have applied to this possible airdrop, and if they have the funding of ZkSync and not many people is aware of this and they decide to do an airdrop, this could be thousands of dollars. Again, this is a speculation, but it's a possibility. And you have HAQQ.network is the website of the network, and you have islamiccoin.net as the main site of the native coin of this project. Now, going to the step-by-step, guys, the step 1, 2 and 3 is follow them on their social media. You are going to need that on another steps. In Twitter, I put both, follow HAQQ network and Islamic coin. Step 2 is you join the Telegram, and step 3 you can go and join the Discord. These are the official links, so you should be fine. Now the next steps are part of downloading the application into your mobile phone. So I'm not going to share screens on that, but I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. It's super intuitive and easy to do. I did it because I want to have the best possible scenario for this airdrop. If you don't want to download the app, it's on you. Do your own research like always. But basically what you need to do is in step 4, we want to get the wallet. So this is available for both Apple and Android store. So you can search for HAQQ wallet and download it, or here you have the link for the wallet page. So from here you can see available on the App Store or Google Play, so you just click there and download it. And here you have some more information if you need it. So step 5, after you download it, this is how you set up. You click on create account, you will need to set a passcode and you need to back up your seedphrase. After that you are done. The step 6 is that in the earn of the app, by staking, you can claim the ESLM gas on the app. Then you go to earn on the application and click on monthly raffle. Then you can click on staking. You can select the validator, could be anyone. You can click on delegate and confirm the delegate. Doing those steps, you are already using the application and you don't need to pay anything, guys. So for now, this is only the usage of the application, and I really think that if they do an airdrop, the steps on having the application are going to be part of the airdrop. Why I say that? Also because there are some documentation, for example on the official mirror of the Islamic coin, that it says how you can use and download the application. So this could be part of the possible airdrop, and also because of some comments that I saw on the general discussion channel or around the channels on the Islamic coin Discord. So this could be very important if you want to participate on the airdrop, to download the app and do these 3 steps. Now the step 7 here on my guide, this is on the testnet guide. So we are going to connect with the testnet of HAQQ network and do some stuff there. So step 7 is go to this URL, connect your wallet. You are going to need to connect your GitHub account too and request tokens. The request of the tokens sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. So we are going to need to see that. So connect your wallet. Next, click here to switch to chain 56. You are going to be asked to add the network. So here you ask the testnet of HAQQ. So switch to the network. You can see you have 0 balance here. Now click on login with GitHub and you will need to confirm that connection. After you do that, you can claim your tokens and request the tokens. You can see tokens claim. So after some time you should receive your tokens, and immediately you can see I have received here my tokens on my balance. So now we go to step 8, which is select the validator. We click on delegate and we confirm that. Here you have the link to the shell of the HAQQ network. So again, here we connect our wallet. I am using MetaMask and I am already connected to the network. So here is the list of validators. I will click in one of them and I will click on delegate and I will put 300 here of the 1000 that I got. Confirm the delegation, sign the transaction, and now sign the transaction down here. And you can see my delegation is 300 tokens here right now, so I am already delegating. You can undelegate if you want, so you can see I have 300, so that it will be the max that I can, but I will leave them there. So I will come back here and I will delegate on another chain, for example this one. So I will click on delegate and I will put 200 here. Confirm the delegation. And remember that this is in testnet, so you are not expending anything. And that is all for the testnet, guys. You don't need to do anything else. Only select the validator and delegate. Maybe wait some days and undelegate a part in one of them just to do all the transactions there. Now we go to step 9, which is when you want to complete the task on the guild. So here is the link to do that, and this is the guild. We are going to come here and do this, but before doing this we are going to do the step 10, which is complete the task on the Galxe. So first we go to Galxe and we are going to complete this. This, guys, is very easy. You just need to visit these 4 links. These are links for the project. Once you enter there, you come back here, you click this to refresh and you are going to have it in green. And the last one, guys, is this Islamic Coin Discord verify. Basically, this is only that you join the Discord. After you join the Discord, you can go here and GM. You can click GM and you can see then, clicking on your icon, the role that you have. It says verify. So because it's verified in Discord, now you can go and claim this Islamic Coin Discord. After you get that, you are going to be done with this and you are going to have this novice Discord role. After I complete these steps, you can claim this NFT. So this is the novice role. And again, after you do that, because your Discord is connected to the Galxe page, you are going to see after doing that you have also the novice role here. And with that novice role, you are going to be set already to do to the next step, which was the step 9. That is the guild. We go back to the guild now. And you can connect here to check your roles. So basically you have to be verified on the Islamic Coin server. This is already connecting your Discord, so we already did that. And then you complete this CAPTCHA. After doing that, you can join the guild to check access to the guild member. You are going to be done with that. And the next one, guys, is have this on your Twitter and have the novice role in the Islamic Coin, which is what we have here from the Galxe after we did all. You are going to be ready and get that role. And then in the Twitter, on your biography, you can put this hashtag IslamMaxi, and you are going to be able to have this role too. So it's not very difficult. With my exact explanation, you don't need to have any issues. You shouldn't have any issues. So it's very easy. After doing all that, you go to roles, join the guild to the roles that send you to the Discord, and remember to check here if you have those roles. You can see here the roles of another users too. For example, they have the IslamMaxi, the guild member, so you can check your roles here after you complete everything. Guys, that is all for the airdrop. The step 11 here is just to check some stuff on the mirror information, but we already covered it. And step 12 is the website and the ecosystem partners if you want to check it. But those are all the steps that are possible to do here for this Islamic Coin Airdrop, guys. This could be a massive airdrop if they finally decide to do it. And it's really under the radar for what I can see. If you liked this video, guys, go to my cryptocurrencystate.net page, go to videos. I have hundreds of airdrops that are active, guys. So go there, check all my videos. I have tips and things for layer 0, I think that you never did. Polyhedra, range, Sora, more stuff on the important multipliers of layer 0, AI, NFT airdrops, so many things, guys. And all my videos, educational videos on step by steps, and for example, how to not be blacklisted or civil on your airdrop path. And if this is not enough for you and you want to make thousands of dollars on these airdrops, I recommend you to check my subscriptions. It's in the nav there. I have a private Discord where we manage high level of information. You can see my private Discord is here. I have many channels all related to airdrop stuff. You can see all the airdrop channels that we manage. New airdrops, meme airdrops, testnet airdrops that you don't need to spend anything. Airdrop distributions, so you don't miss any date of your airdrops that you apply. Also, how to use multiple wallets. We have here all the strategies. Newbie questions if you are new to the crypto space of airdrops. Also, specific channels for each of the big airdrops that we are following, like Layer 0, Starknet, Vechain, ZkSync, and also general stuff about crypto, portfolio strategies, crypto gems, crypto memes, and many other things, guys. My Discord is killing it. Everyone is happy there. We manage a high level of information, and it's a private Discord, so you are not going to waste any time there. And again, if you want to make more money, you will need my application. This is a web application that I created to apply and organize your airdrops. So check these two videos on how my app works. It's going to worth it for you if you are starting in airdrops, or if you are already farming and you are managing with an Excel file. That is totally wrong. You are going to be lost in a minute. Use my app in order to create your custom airdrops and to apply to my airdrops, and also to have everything organized in all your wallets. Guys, that is all for this video. Islamic Coin, this is a very important airdrop, almost $1 billion in founding, very similar to the founding of ZkSync, and it's really under the radar. So only 1 month left until the launch. Don't forget to do everything, and if you appreciate my content, please always like the video so harm it with the algorithm. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell to get the notifications so you don't miss any of my airdrop videos. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.